Hey everybody, so we got another quick guess what's in the box video. Appreciate you guys sticking around, so please check out the video and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is another short little guess what's in the box video. The box isn't very big. Point the camera at this corner right here. So we're gonna measure it for length. This box is 44 inches and 3/8 of an inch long, or tall if you want to look at it that way. It is 6 inches and 3/4 of an inch in width, and depth is only 3 inches and 5/8 of an inch in depth. It's not a big box. It's a pretty long box. Just to give you a little hint, it is a tool and it is red. Please leave your guesses down below what you guys think it is. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smash the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I appreciate you guys sticking around and playing along. Leave your comments below what you think. If you get close, or you get close enough that I think that it was couldn't have guessed any better, I'll pin your comment in the comment section. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.